ready to clean my dryer ducts.
With what? A back scratcher 3000? Where did you get that thing?
Made it.
That's pretty cool.
Client of mine found it in his dryer duct.
That's incredible. How about this? I'll show you how to do it with a $20 thing you can buy at your local Ace Hardware. Let's go.
That's way better. Okay.
Yeah, we'll figure that out.
So, real talk for a minute. I had a client find this inside of a long dryer duct run. And it's kind of ingenious. It's literally a back scratcher taped to a 8-foot long piece of quarter round, and you can see how like putting that into a duct would actually scrape some lint out. But this really is not the right tool to use for the job. And in fact, my client found that inside the dryer duct. Who knows how long it had been there, trapping lint and creating a fire hazard. So don't do what the ingenious inventor of this thing did. It's a bad idea.
You only need 2 things to clean out your ducts so your house doesn't burn down. A cordless drill, most people have that, and then one of these handy dandy cleaners on a flexible hose. I got this one here locally at Ace, and it's 20 bucks, so let's show you how it works.
First thing you want to do is pull out your dryer and disconnect from the ducting here. And you'll want to give yourself a little bit of room to work. We're fortunate to be in a new construction home today, so we don't have any equipment to work around right now. So once you've done that, you take this piece and you fit it up into the ducting there. And then you get your drill and you give it a spin. And what's going to happen when you start doing that is you're going to see some lint start coming out the bottom of the duct there, and that's perfectly normal and okay. Because this is a new construction home and everything is clean, that's all new ducting, we're not going to run it the whole way, but I will just show you the first length and how it goes up into the vent there. So there you can see we're one section all the way in. It's recommended to start from the inside and go outside after you've removed the trap at the end of the duct outside so that you're pushing most of that lint out rather than back in. I'm not sure that it really matters one way or the other, but that's probably easier to clean up. One thing to consider too is whether or not to do this yourself. It's not a hard thing to do, but if you have a really long dryer duct, you might want to consider calling a professional for that. It's just easier than linking a whole bunch of these together, possibly losing something inside the dryer duct. And we'll provide some recommendations for people that you can call for that. You want to do that again?
Yeah.